Hi students, welcome to Evershine Coaching Center. Myself Faisal sir here. Today we are going to discuss the topic human brain. Okay, come let's start. How to draw the diagram of human brain in an easiest manner, in an easiest way. Observe you. Step number 1. Okay. Then next step number 2. It's not compulsory it should come like this itself, just randomly you can draw the lines like this. This is step number 2. Then next step number 3, from here draw the structure of a cloud like structure. Clouds के जैसा एक structure draw करना है बेटा आपको, छोटा सा. It's going to join here. Okay, round shape. It should come slightly round shape. भी थोड़ा बड़ा चाहिए. Okay, done. Then next after this you can erase this part. You can erase this line. ठीक है. After erasing this line, what you can do here in this direction, draw the lines like this. Draw the lines like this. Okay. Now just the region which is left out here, draw with the straight lines. इसको हम एक straight line से जोड़ देंगे. Inside this, can you see here? An outer line. Just draw an outer line. outer part of brain. This is the diagram of human brain. Now let we name this part. Now here we can see this outermost layer of the brain. This is called as cranium. So हम क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? Cranium. That's nothing but skull. Okay. Next, can you see this part inside? This is called as cerebrum. Cerebrum. This is cranium and this is cerebrum. Now, this part is called it as midbrain. This is midbrain. And can you see this part is known as hypothalamus. Hypothalamus. The region between cerebrum to hypothalamus, this region is called as forebrain. This region is called as forebrain. Forebrain. Okay. Now we can see here this part. Just a minute. What you can do here in this region, you can draw a line like this. Okay. And this is nothing but, we call it as pituitary gland. Pituitary gland. Pituitary gland. And this is pons. This is pons. And this is, call it as medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata. And this part is known as cerebellum. Cerebellum. So this pons, medulla oblongata and cerebellum, this is nothing but hindbrain. These are the regions under hindbrain. And ultimately you can see a cord which is moving straight. This cord is known as spinal cord. So this is the diagram of human brain. Is this clear? I hope you all have understood how to draw the diagram of human brain. Just draw a C curve. After that, just draw a convolution like this. Next, step 3, you can draw this region, and step 4 you can draw this, step 5 you can draw this, and you can draw the convolutions and draw the outer cover. That's it. So this is the simple way how we can draw the diagram of human brain. I hope you all have liked this video and you have enjoyed how to draw the diagram in the easiest manner. Okay, so this is the basic diagram vertical section of human brain. If you have liked this video, don't forget to comment, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video.